Hello and welcome back here on our YouTube channel. If you are looking for a new resource to get compressed air in your workshop, this might be the solution for you in the future. But continue after the intro. I was in need of a new compressed air resource for my workshop. And after a long search in local stores and online, I'm sure I found the perfect affordable solution for me. And just by the way, while making this video, I discovered the easiest way to unpack large things without constantly having problems with the box, because things don't want to come out of the box. So the way you see here, that's the way to do it. And ta-da, here she is. My new VEVOR compact portable oil-free compressor, 10 gallon or 40 liters with 90 psi. She arrived pre-assembled except of the two air filters that you have to screw on yourself. Both air filters have an easy to clean and changeable air filter insert. Just by the way, this video is not sponsored by VEVOR. Just screw them on tight and the compressor is ready to go. On the lower part of the compressor is a little ball valve located to drain the tank with a hose connector, and if you use a little piece of hose, you don't make a big mess on your table or on your floor if you drain the condensation out of the tank, which works nice and smooth. The only thing that would be better is if the drain valve would be located at the lowest point of the compressor tank. But we can only use what we have, and if we tilt the compressor a little to make sure the bottom valve or the drain valve is on the lowest spot, we can make sure there is no more condensation left in the tank if we drain it. There are two gauges on this compressor. The big one shows the tank pressure and the small one shows the pressure that you can adjust yourself however high or low you want it. We also have a quick coupler and a pressure regulator knob and an on-off switch. The pressure gauges shows both pressure in bar and pressure in PSI. The only thing that I would like to have on this compressor would be a better pressure regulator with a water separator, what VEVOR had on their older compressor models. Let's find out how long it takes to fill the tank from 0 to full. So we have 10 gallons or 40 liters of compressed air with 9 bar in little more than 2 minutes, which is an equivalent from 360 liter uncompressed air per 2 minutes, or 180 liters in 1 minute. And the pressure regulator works great and you can really fine adjust it. Now the comparison test, old against new. We have here my little old Canadian Tire Mastercraft compressor with 100 psi and 3 gallon tank, and the new favorite 10 gallon 90 psi 40 liter compressors from VEVOR. First, how loud are they? When I recorded this part of the video, the camera was 3 feet or 1 meter away from the compressors. The VEVOR compressor and a little noisy one from Canadian Tire. What do you think? Is the quiet bigger one with more power and a bigger tank worth the money? I would say yes, it is. But now we have to test how long it takes for the small one to fill the tank. Five minutes, 6 seconds. That could be a long time if you have to work close to this machine. I'm so happy to replace now this little one with the new version from VEVOR. I can definitely recommend it. If you like this compressor or a similar one, I put the link for you in the description down below. It's an affiliate link from the VEVOR website where you can choose from different sizes. If you buy a compressor from VEVOR or any other item from their website, you will support our channel a little, and if you use the VEVOR saving code that I leave for you in the description down below, you can save another 5%. VEVOR offers various sizes of compressors: a 1 gallon 90 psi version, a 4.6 gallon 90 psi version, a 8 gallon 90 psi version, my favorite, the 10 gallon 90 psi version, a 15 gallon 90 psi version, a 20 gallon 90 psi version, and the biggest one, the 80 gallon 6.5 horsepower 2-stage 90 psi version. And we are at the end of this video, so thanks guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe for our channel and leave a thumb up for us. We will be happy if we see us in one of the next videos.